Hello, Ruxandra here. Welcome to my new video. And today we are going to talk about the 5 secrets to prepare yourself to win the YouTube game. In my previous video, we were talking about the main things to be aware when you start with YouTube and the equipment you need to start with as a beginner. Today, we will talk about what else do you need except the equipment I presented to you before. So let's prepare yourself to win the YouTube game because it's the only platform that is free, and in 1 or 2 years it can really change your life, or even earlier depending on your commitment to the platform. You have to be consistent. This is my tip number 1, not to quit before you hit the exponential curve, because you will just stop before you see results. So it's very important to be consistent and don't be discouraged. It really takes time to build a YouTube channel and to build your audience, but once you hit that exponential curve you will be very satisfied. I know it's not easy to be consistent when you see no results at the beginning or little results, but you will have to apply one step at a time. This is how I started with YouTube. So I applied one step at a time, because if you read 100 ideas and you don't apply nothing, you will end yourself in being overwhelmed and procrastinating. You can't do this. So yes, you can, because everybody can do this if it's committed enough to stick to a schedule for a few months or a year. So why it takes so much to get those 1,000 subscribers, you will ask me. Let's break it into pieces. In order to get subscribers, you need to get views, and to get views, people need to stumble upon your videos on YouTube. Yeah, so either they search for them or YouTube recommends them. The YouTube algorithm tries to predict how much people will click on a thumbnail on your video. So let me show you now what is a thumbnail. I'll show you, the image. These are my thumbnails. For the moment I keep, the same design, but with time, as I get better with thumbnails, because I design my own. But at the beginning, this is not the most important thing. The most important thing is you start and be consistent, and you just adjust these things on the way. So you can even, pay somebody on Fiverr or some other people, to make your banner, your thumbnail. Maybe they're more professional on that. So YouTube also tries to know how much time people will watch your videos. Obviously, the more people click on your videos, this is the CTR, or click-through rate, and you can find this by installing the YouTube Body as an extension which has a free and pro subscription, and the longer they watch them, the better. So in order to predict CTR, YouTube runs a series of micro experiments, which, this is exactly the purpose of the algorithm of YouTube. If your video is about a specific topic, it will analyze how it performs in the search results compared to other videos, on YouTube. It takes time for YouTube algorithm to understand how your channel and your content perform. With only a handful of videos and few days or weeks of existence of your channel, your YouTube didn't quite get enough data to figure it out, how to integrate your videos in the platform and who to show them to. So they will figure it out in time. So it will definitely need more time. Give it 3-4 months to start to see some organic traffic to really kick in at first. YouTube might show one of your videos every now and then as a suggested video in the sidebar of other videos. The more people click on them, the better. Again, they are testing like you do, and the more people watch your videos, the better the chance they will subscribe. So people take time to trust you as a content creator as well when you publish your video first, and if you're not a grand celebrity or something, people don't know you yet. So unless you are born YouTube channel in front of the camera or have an impressive skill, I don't know what, people just won't trust you enough to subscribe to your channel. Here are some elements to take into consideration, and here comes tip number 2. People need to be interested in your topic in the first place. Most people need to watch several videos to get your personality and your style. People need to know that you're going to post interesting and enjoyable content in the future. So here comes tip number 3. You need to ask people to subscribe to your channel. Ask them, point it out, because it's very important in order for the video to reach more people. And this is true if many people will subscribe, like and share, a lot of people will get advantage of the content of your video if you are creating valuable content for people and they are really getting a help from in their journey from your video. But you can only ask them to subscribe to your channel if you provide value in your video. You might have the greatest personality in the world and people might like you, but they will rarely subscribe to your channel only because of that. So here comes tip number 4. They will need more value from you to subscribe. One other thing to take into consideration is that the fewer subscribers your channel has, the less the viewers are inclined to subscribe to your channel. Yeah, this is the hard start. So don't be discouraged. Once you will get a lot of subscribers, you will hit the exponential curve. This is a game made of numbers, works as super crunches in statistics. If you heard of that book, it's a very interesting one and I recommend it to you to read it. And here comes tip number 5. Be patient and upload great videos consistently and you'll get there. My strategy for YouTube is, first of all, define your channel plan. So you want to know what you will do on your channel and what you will be sharing. Second, make videos that your audience will love or they will take value from it. Create irresistible or amazing titles. Design your thumbnails like I told before. Captivate your viewers. Keep them engaged. Write descriptions that rank. That I will cover even that part in my next videos. Make your channel page work for you. Interact with your viewers. Yeah, you have to interact and answer them if they put questions, if they comment and so on. Publish videos at the right time. Yeah, there is a right time. Yeah, but you will figure it out. Improve all the time and ask for feedback. Everything you observe I don't do good in the right way or needs improvement, you can give me feedback. I'm very open to feedback, especially things I have to improve. Feel free to write me your straightforward feedback on what I'm doing right and wrong. I don't really mind, and on my next videos you will see I apply some things to get those better. So first, when talking about audience and topic, you would think a broad topic would bring you great audience because there are many interested in that, but not. You have there a big competition. Choose a niche. You have to talk to your audience and add the word "for" in the title. For example, affiliate marketing for beginners, healthy eating for busy people, and so on. To make people understand what your channel is about, you can put some of the main topics in the name of the channel. For example, my channel name is Brand Builders Team because I help people build their own brand so they can expect what to find here, or at least imagine what they can get on my channel. I would love to see here your own spices. We are unique for a reason and we don't have to be like others, so don't compare to others which started like few years ago or many years ago and have a lot of experience even with editing and stuff. So you there who are shy, I was also, and sometimes I am even now. I am shy in front of the camera. There are sometimes you doubt yourself. Well, let me tell you, I have those days also when I doubt myself. Life is too short anyway to stay on the side and do nothing. Right now, I would rather suck at something than doing nothing about it. So this is the mindset you have to, you have to develop in the first place. So in order for you to keep consistency, you have to make the difference between commitment and trying to do things. So don't only try, you have to really do things and commit, to have results. I try is a victim mentality, when commitment is something that tells the world you are going to do that thing no matter what. Commitment is the means by which you measure your intentions and focus on all your will. Being committed does not mean you have I don't know what kind of special mind. It does not flow from any type of personality. This is something that always is created. Commitment to your goals can alter all the outcomes, and behavior that is not in accordance to your plan. We live in a new world now. We are, back to our own performances as a main driver to our success. In this new world, performance is what matters. You are not going to have a powerful life for free. You have to create it and invest in your education in the first place, and just start to do things, not just try. So this is it. Thanks for watching. If you like it, hit the subscribe button below, and like or share if you loved it. And don't be afraid, to comment and give me a straightforward feedback. I would love that, and this will make me grow. So thanks so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.